Charlie was 7 when he was first diagnosed with PANDAS.
Well, I love playing sports, video games, and go-karting.
Without experiencing something like PANDAS firsthand, you just can't imagine what it feels like to watch your child change overnight from a wonderfully normal and fairly typical kid to this small person that needs so much help. Yet you have no idea how to parent, comfort, or help them.
You don't get strep throat, you get strep in your brain.
PANDAS is a pediatric disorder. It is an autoimmune disease, much like rheumatic fever. When a child with PANDAS gets a strep infection, antibodies mistakenly attack the basal ganglia of the child's brain. This is the area of the brain thought to control emotion and movement.
PANDAS is something that makes you have tics.
The symptoms of PANDAS include an increase in obsessive-compulsive disorder and/or tic severity, ADHD symptoms, separation anxiety, mood changes, including irritability, sadness, emotional lability, even depression, sleep disturbance, nighttime bedwetting and/or daytime urinary frequency, fine motor changes, particularly changes in handwriting, gross motor changes, and joint pain. These symptoms can be brutal. They can be far-reaching and very impactful, even though they are thought to be only temporary.
Mad, sad, it's very confusing. Makes you want to break a window and jump out and just run. You don't feel it coming. It just hits you in one whole shot. Makes me feel like I'm just a piece of junk, really.
The lack of awareness leaves Charlie at times frustrated and shocked that his friends, teachers, and relatives don't innately understand the incredibly difficult battle that has just taken place inside him.
He's really sad. He cries a lot, and he doesn't get that much sleep, so it's really hard for all of us.
It makes me feel really sad because he's sad.
Symptoms can affect your child's academic standing, peer and sibling relationships, and their self-esteem. As a parent, it is a difficult job to manage the symptoms while attempting to minimize any potential damage. Every person in our family suffers. So few people understand the true magnitude of the devastating challenges we as a family face. That in itself leaves us with less support than we honestly need.
Parents have to know that they can't help it.
It happens to a lot of people. You don't need to feel embarrassed about it.
I like to say to other kids with PANDAS, don't be afraid to be yourself.
To learn more information about pandas and ways you can help, please visit www.thepandaseffect.com.